Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. Alright, today it's going to be a day in my life, and today it's currently 2nd of January 2026. Alright, so if you're new to this YouTube channel, my name is Merlin, and what do I do here? I document my journey on this YouTube channel. I share my process, my wins and all of that, and everything you need to know about trading. Alright, it's currently 7:47 a.m. I woke up since 7:30. So let me show you guys what I'm looking at for to do in a day, my to-do list. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I want to do. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, do well to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so that I can get notified whenever I post a video like this. Alright, so without wasting much time, let me show you guys what I'm looking at to do, and also I will show you guys the trades I'm currently at. So from there I will either go to the gym, because I plan on resuming gymming back to back this year. So don't forget to subscribe. Let's just head straight to the video. Alright, as you can see, my today list: make a day in the life, produce signals, and also trade and practice pocket option for 5 sessions. Alright, so these are my to-do list and to-do list for the day. Now let's look at my trading. When we look right here, I'm on a trade on Euro USD. Right at this point, I'm on a trade on Euro USD. You can see right here, and it's currently running in profit. I'm also a trade on Euro CHF right here, so it's currently on minus, as you can see right here. Now on my account right here, let me show you guys my dashboard. On my account right here, I've had 2 losses. I've had 2 losses right here, and you can see minus $47.99. As you can see, my equity curve, it's going down. I've had two losses. I had 2 losses. So right here, this is my dashboard, and this is how it is. I've taken just 2 trades only, and I think those trades were losses. Those 2 trades were losses, but it's all good. It's all good. We are stick to the plan. We stick to our plan and we follow our rules. Alright, so if you look right here, you can see these are my trading journals. You can see I had a trade on gold that I lost. I also had a trade on USD card that I lost. So let me show you guys the trade. Alright, the trades I lost. So I had a trade on USD card that went to south instead of going to my direction. So let me show you guys the trade. Actually, the trade has not really hit my stop loss. It hasn't really hit my stop loss, but spread already took me out, but the trade is still running. It hasn't smashed the stop loss first, but spread took me out, but the trade is still running. Alright, so but I'm out of that. I'm just on Euro USD and Euro CHF. Alright, so that's all I'm looking out for. So that's all for today. That's all for today. So let's get ready so we can start going to the gym, guys. Alright, please, if you're watching this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification bell, and I'll catch you guys at the gym. Alright, so what's up guys? I just came back from the gym right now, so yeah, without wasting much time, let's just head over to my chart. Then we analyze some trades together and also look at the trades we took also together. Alright, so if you're new to this YouTube channel, do it to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification bell so that I can get notified whenever I post. Alright, so let's just head straight to my laptop. I'm going to try and see if I'll be able to use my laptop to record, but if I cannot do that, I'm going to be using my phone to record my screen. Alright, so let me try that out. If it doesn't work, I'm going to be using my phone to record. I'm trying to see if I can get a good recorder that can be able to record my laptop, but my laptop is not really that good. It's making some kind of noises that I don't like, but I'm trying to see if I can fix that out. It's a new year and today is just the second day of the year, so let's get it started. Alright, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification bell. Let's go. Alright, so I tried using my laptop to record, but it's not working, so I'm going to flip my camera right now so you can see the trades I'm currently at. I think I'm just in 3 trades. Alright, I'm not trying to over trade, I'm just waiting for my setups perfectly. Then if they trigger, if it's stop loss or take profit, that's it. So right now I'm currently on a trade on Euro USD and it's kind of running in loss. It was running in profit, but it's running in loss right now. I'm looking to buy. Right, I'm looking to buy. I'm also on a trade on Euro CHF. I'm on this trade on Euro CHF on a sell position, but it's currently running in a little profit. I'm also on a trade on BTC. Alright, I'm on a trade on BTC. I'm looking to sell. But right now BTC is running in loss. Right here I'm looking to sell, but it's running in loss, so let's see how it goes. Alright, so this is it. Let's see how it goes. Alright, these are the trades I'm currently at. I'm not trying to over trade, I'm just trying to follow my rules. Right now BTC is bullish, but I saw my setup appear in the, I know I'm following the structure, but currently BTC on the 15-minute time frame is bearish and I'm using the 15-minute time frame, so it gave me my structure and I'm entering this particular trade. Alright, so I'm going to keep you guys updated. And alright, so that's all for today. I'll keep you guys updated on this account. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm currently at a drawdown of $46. I think, is it $42.99, something like that. Yeah, let me check it right now and see the drawdown I'm currently at. But I'll keep you guys updated on this account. So many of you might be wondering, why am I putting on the glasses and all of that? Yeah, I'm putting on the glasses because of the light screen, the screen light. It's affecting my eyes and I needed to get a glass. So okay, I'm currently on a drawdown of almost $50, which is $47.99. Alright, so that's the drawdown I'm currently at. I know I'm going to recover, but I don't know. Let me say I don't know I'm going to recover, but I'm just going to trust my process. I'm going to trust my setup. and I'll keep executing accurately. And why I got this mic right here is to filter out the noise. My place is a bit noisy. I'm also looking forward to this year to getting a nice apartment also, that will also enable me to make my vlogs more good. Alright, I'll keep you guys updated. If you're new to this YouTube channel, my name is Merlin, and what do I do here? I document my journey right here on this YouTube channel. I share my process and my wins and all of that. This morning I already hit take profit on my personal account on Sol USDT. I've already hit a 1:3 trade, and that will cover me for the week. It will cover for the week. Yeah, if you're looking forward to join my Telegram channel, link will be on my bio or in the description below, so you can join my channel, and there I share my trade signals every single day. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Alright, make sure to stay locked in. Today is the 2nd day of January. Make sure you're staying locked in, you're staying focused. Don't get distracted, right? Don't get distracted, and this year we are all going to achieve our goals. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay safe, stay focused, and stay sharp.